This lecture I will show you how to manipulate pivot table data. So suppose you don't want to see the products on this pivot table. So how will you change it or manipulate it? So you just uncheck the product and then it will be only the sum or order of the amount. So now suppose you want to see the product's order date, or order ID, so that you can know that the which product ID sold most, or the what is the performance by each product ID. So here you just drag it to the column and then you can see the product ID based sales. Then you can take decisions from which ID's product sold higher than which ID. So by this way you can change and manipulate your pivot table from this pivot table field. So always remember that all the text things like the names or anything without data, those text versions things will go to the rows, and the other figures that might go to the columns or values, whatever you want. So suppose you want this product order ID in the rows, so if you just drag it here, then those product ID will be on the rows. So now the pivot table will look like this. So by many ways you can manipulate, by dragging or by ticking and unticking, you can manipulate this data in pivot table. It's very easy, very simple to work as you like.